National Gear Repair. I'm proud to announce that this was one of our Davis Standard Extruder rebuilds. We're specialists when it comes to Davis Standard. Our technicians are factory trained, especially with Timken, Falk, Davis Standard, Rexnord, Dodge, and so forth. Here on this particular gearbox, this was in pretty bad shape. This is a very older style case or housing, and Davis Standard wanted the customer to upgrade to a newer style, which was going to cost a lot more money, but it wasn't the money. The problem was the reconfiguration of your machine. They didn't want to disassemble their whole plant. So basically, they opted to put the money into actually rebuilding this particular box and keeping the same style format, not having to upgrade or change the line. National Gear Repair reline board this housing. It was completely damaged. National Gear Repair manufactured a new pinion and replaced all bearings and seals. Reset the bearing floats and the preloads on the rust. We shrink our shafts here with liquid nitrogen, and we use bearing induction heaters and ovens to expand our bearings. This way we're not pounding anything on or using any hydraulic or horizontal presses to press anything on. That's when damage and failure happens. So by doing this, it allows us to warranty all our work for 24 months from the date of startup. This particular box is a spare. So this box is probably not going to be dropped in production for a couple of years. Their warranty actually starts when they drop it in production. They'll get a warranty card with that. Follow the instructions. And I just want to let you guys know that National Gear Repair has a vast network of freight teams and freight liners and hotshot services throughout the United States and Canada. And any particular gearbox in any part of the country, even on the East Coast or the Southeast or the Midwest, National Gear Repair will get that box picked up the same day and dropped off to one of our locations within a few hours and then have it disassembled. We have locations here in Southern California, Chicago, Texas, and actually starting a new location out in South Florida. So there's not a location in America, there's not a state in America that we don't service. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And give us a call because we offer 24-month warranties, and we offer free freight, free pickup, and free quotes nationwide. That's what we do to stay ahead of our competition here at National Gear Repair. So again, continue to watch this Davis Standard single extruder video, and I'd like to hear back from you all. Please leave a comment. Thank you.